Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new Christmas make to share with you. It's our deep mini window box and our Petit Four window box. Both come flat packed. They are laser cut from 2.25 micron grey board, so slightly thicker than you would cut yourself. They're assembled with our black signature construction tape, and when they're all put together, this is what they look like. Ta-da! I love them. This is what the boxes were designed for, although you may have seen this larger, deeper box altered with an album inside it. But years and years ago, I used to teach cake decorating at our local college, and we always made Petit Fours and truffles. And I designed, this is one of my early kits, 2 boxes that would take a single layer and a double layer of whatever you like to make and give at Christmas. So let's talk you through them. The deep, they're quite heavy actually, they are full. The deep mini window box measures 15 centimetres by 15 centimetres by 6.5 centimetres high. As you can see, we've got a little magnetic closure holding the lid closed here. A nice bit of decoration on the spine, an acetate window, and I've used papers from the Make-A-Wish collection by Stamperia to decorate the box. I've cut out the poinsettia and some mercury glass stickles, don't know if you can see that, just around the acetate window, just for a little bit of sparkle. And then we've got a little cutout from the paper on the spine that says Noel. And then when you open the box, these are Brandy truffles, handmade this morning. I love them. And if you follow the link below to my blog, you can find the recipe for them there. They are really, really easy to make, but they are beautiful. I have eaten 1 or 2, but I did have enough left to put in the box. So double layer box, this one. And I've put a little box in here, I should have put a ribbon on it actually, to hold the first layer of truffles, and then underneath I've put a layer of marzipan fruits. So if you love making marzipan fruits, or even if you've never made them before and you would like to make them, I'll put the link to the video on how to do it at the end of this video, so do stay tuned and click onto that. So a really lovely deep box, all put together with our signature black construction tape. So the only glue you use is to attach the box to the spine. Everything else is taped. And it does make a gorgeous gift. And of course, afterwards, whoever you've given the gift to has a really nice box to use as well. So that's the deep mini window box. And then the single layer, the Petit Four window box, just holds 1 layer of handmade truffles, Petit Fours, sweets. You could even buy your sweets and put them in a handmade box. This one is decorated with papers from Christmas Night by Scrapmir. I love this candy stripe, really appropriate for Christmas. It's got a nice faded look on the spine. So everywhere is decorated in that nice red stripe. I've used an old Sizzix die to cut out this flourish from red fun foam, glittery fun foam, and then I've added a chipboard piece and a flare from the collection, and also cut the holly leaves out from the paper as well, and added some little bells on there that do jingle. I don't think you can hear them with the rustling of the Petit Fours inside. And then on the inside, I've gone for green stars. So I've sort of kept that Christmas theme going. And here they are, all of the Petit Fours. So we've got apples, peaches, pears, oranges, lemons, and strawberries. But you could make any fruit. But they really do look really fab with their bright, vibrant colours. So do follow the link if you'd like to know how to make them. They are really, really easy. And that is it. That is our deep mini window box and our Petit Four box full of Christmas treats. We have got a bundle on offer, 3 boxes, either 3 deep or 3 of the single layer ones and 3 rolls of our signature construction tape to put them all together, and a great saving on those. So if you're interested, you can find the links to the boxes, the bundles and the papers that I've used in the description below the video. So thanks ever such a lot for watching. Do give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with new products and projects as they come out. Bye for now.